Amit Tyagi, if I can speak to you again. I mean, television, you spoke to me about television, his journey from television to being this international star, the first star, actor really, to cross over into the West from TV. I remember once he told me, "Yaar, maine Bhavar." There was a serial called Bhavar, which was like one episode
Yes,
on some based on some true stories, and he played a lawyer in that
yes,
role. I just said that on air also, and he told me that that helped him a lot, gaining scoring movies, scoring roles in films. So he played sort of a lawyer. He was a guy who pretends to be a lawyer. And he did that so well. I mean, from his first shot, even in television, do you remember that he was always destined to be this great actor?
yes. I remember him. I mean, it was the early 80s when he made his first show. Actually, was Bharat Ek Khoj by Sham Benegal. I don't know if you remember. This was a show on Doordarshan. But later on, he did a show called Shrikant. It's again running on Doordarshan right now. And then, though this was the pre-satellite days, so his maiden show that got him his entry into Bollywood was Chandrakanta. He played a double role in that show. That show was very controversial in that time, but this was the show which actually made Irfan Khan an
Yeah,
actor.
it had mass appeal. Yes.
Yes, it had mass appeal. And yes, you're to talk the series you're talking about. He did many of those in Star as well as on the Bhavar you're talking about. And that's
Hmm.
when Tigmanshu Dhulia he met. And actually,
Yeah.
Tigmanshu gave him his first role in Hasil. So it was those
Yes.
telefilms that actually made them Tigmanshu and Irfan close. And they are very important aspect of his career because they paved the way for his film career later, these telefilms.
Yes, from Tukmanshu Dhulia, then he does a Makbool with Vishal Bharadwaj, Pankaj Kapoor, Tabu. Tabu was also, I mean, she was a big influence. She was like a mentor. She had so much affection for Irfan, and that relationship was also very, very good. Pia Hingorani, Pia, talk to me about Tabu and Irfan Khan. That was also a fantastic pairing, on-screen pairing. These two incredible actors. What they did on screen was magic.
Absolutely. They have done so many movies together from Haidar to Talwar, and even, the one film that actually resonated with the audiences is The Namesake by Meera
Yeah.
Nair. It was a Jhumpalari adaptation. And I have to say that, even if you look at the film, their chemistry, the way they react to each other, it didn't look like it was a film. It didn't look like they were acting at all. Their subdued performance, and also Irfan had this quality of downplaying every character. He was just so. He wouldn't make it over the top or anything of that sort. It was so beautiful to see both of them, and of course, they were in Talwar as well, and Haidar and many, many other movies, Life of Pi for that matter. They tried to recreate the namesake in Life of Pi, but I have to say, namesake would be perhaps my favorite, film of both of them. So they had a very close bond. In fact, they were very good friends. They continued to remain very good friends. Of course, towards the end, Irfan didn't really keep in touch with too many people, neither his directors nor his actors or film crew or team. But up until about 2 years back, yes, he was in touch with a lot of people, and especially Tabu. And people still talk about, when you talk about his filmography, you cannot miss the fact that Tabu played a very important role in his movies.
Yes, and he told me once that, he owed a lot to Tabu. Like, he thanked her. He thanked her from the bottom of his heart to support him, to work with him, to walk with him through these scenes, through these incredible scenes, really, all of the time. And Irfan Khan, I mean, actor par excellence. Amit Tyagi, once again, I'm sorry I interrupted you earlier, but the last 24 hours, talk to me about the developments, with each minute we were trying to get an update. We heard last that he was on the ventilator. The hospital authorities told us that, he was really serious. Walk me through the last 24 hours, Amit.
Serious and critical for Irfan because it was a matter of life and death for him. He was on the ventilator and doctors were trying to save his life. But as I said, the emotional factor, which was really, something was stopping him not to live again. I think he just gave up. He fought a battle there's a film he did called Warrior. He was a warrior. But there's a moment in a very warrior's life when he doesn't want to win. So I think that happened, and his mother's death was one important factor, because somewhere he just, he made up his mind, and he was like a little disturbed with the things happening around, with the whole situation right now the world is. So all these information also, I was told that this was happening. But his family, especially his wife Shweta Sikdar, who has been with her since the time they were studying, they both met in National School of Drama. They came to Bombay together. They started their struggle, and it was like, it sounded like a very filmy story, but actually it was, because Shweta stood by Irfan like a rock of Gilbata, and especially the two sons, the doting father he was. So whole family was like, giving him emotional support. That somewhere, the battle, the warrior just lost it. I remember, Makbul scenes when this whole, in the climax of Makbul. So, those shairi, Tu Mere Roobaru Hai, Vishal Bhardwaj also, he was one guy who had really used Irfan's talent very well in all his films. And somewhere, that poetry, the Sufiana Andas, he was a Nawab, and I think the Nawabiyat of his persona was captured very well by Vishal Bhardwaj. His films may not have done very well commercially, but whatever films he did with Vishal was highly acclaimed and one of the best films of.
No, Pia, I was just asking Shekhar Kapoor, and I think he misinterpreted what I was saying. I didn't say that he was not a good-looking person, but conventionally, how Bollywood, what the Bollywood idea of a superstar, the hero is, ki Gora Chitta, Lamba Chauda, something like that, that he was not. And he just broke that sort of mold. I mean, he broke that mindset that, yes, a top star does not have to look a particular way, is what I meant. Pia?
Absolutely. From the fact that he came in from TV to go into, Bollywood and then make it big in the West as well. He, perhaps broke all the norms, broke all the, the stereotypes of being tall, handsome, and of course, good looking, because he was just such a regular person, and that's what made the audiences relate to him. He was like the person that you would perhaps bump into in in your building, so to speak, and that is the kind of person that people really wanted to see on screen as well. Very relatable. People could, identify with him, identify with his characters. They were so down to earth, and other things like that. So, he literally broke the entire stereotype in Bollywood, because till then, no one really had, seen an actor like that. Of course, we've had Shah Rukh Khan in the past, but, a person like Irfan Khan, he paved the way for other actors like Nawazuddin Siddiqui, because earlier, back in the 90s or in the early 2000s, we wouldn't have imagined a mainstream actor to look, the unconventionally like Nawazuddin Siddiqui. But of course, Irfan Khan paved the way for all those actors. He did films that were also very unconventional. He took up roles like, he had a very negative role in Hasil, and then went on to do a lot of films that were perhaps forgettable, like, Thank You and, and many others. But at the end of the day, when you remember his filmography, he's done a lot of films like The Namesake, Life of Pi, Haider, Maqbool, which actually, left a mark in people's heart, and of course in Indian cinema as well, because, he totally broke that mold and made it to the big screen, and more importantly, he was relatable. People, really liked him and loved watching him as well.
Right. And I spoke to Nimrat Kaur, Irfan's co-star in the incredible film Lunchbox. I mean, what a beautiful movie. Incredible performances by Irfan, Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Nimrat. I spoke to her a little while ago. Here's what she had to say.
I'm actually just still trying to assimilate what I've just got to know. I'm quite honestly in a bit of a state of shock. So I just really don't know how to process this information, to be very honest with you. He was really one of the most incredible and genuine people that one could meet in the industry. And very honestly, I'm really at a loss for words. I can't believe that he's gone. I really can't.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.